Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way. Make sure your Apple Watch SE is on your wrist and charged to at least 20% so settings save correctly. Once done, wake the display and press the digital crown to show apps. You're opening the Settings app, the gray gear, because Always On is controlled directly on the watch. Do this now so you can change display behaviors immediately. It's faster than using your iPhone for this specific toggle. You tap Display and Brightness next to Adjust Screen Behavior. That's where Always On lives. Once in, scroll down until you see the Always On option. If you don't see it, make sure your Watch OS version supports Always On. Apple Watch SE requires the right model and Watch OS. Updating may be necessary. You'll also find related options like Show Complications and Wake Duration here. Make changes carefully so the watch balances visibility and battery life as you intend. Flip the Always On toggle to on and watch the screen behavior change. You'll notice dimmed but readable data when your arm is down. Then customize complications and wake duration to suit battery versus information needs. Once set, rest your arm and glance to verify persistence. If the setting won't stick, update Watch OS first, then reboot the watch by holding the side button and using power options. If problems persist, unpair and repair as.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.